Real-time tracking has always played an important role in image processing, especially in the field of machine vision. Here, it forms the basis for many applications that require an immediate and precise response. The sensor is now mounted on the robot arm instead of being fixed, which enables a more complete and accurate point cloud and also avoids blind spots and invisible areas. Other advantages over conventional complete scanning include no complete pre-scanning required. Processing can start directly without having to scan the entire object in advance. It is also time efficient. As only relevant areas are scanned, the capture time is significantly reduced. Another point is the flexibility, as the system is easily adaptable to different shapes and size of objects. The last advantage is dynamic adaptation. The system tracks the object in real time and continuously adapts the scanning process accordingly. But let's take a look at a demonstration. Here, the robot moves exactly above the netting line and scans its surface using the sensor. The pen only serves as a placeholder here. Depending on the application, it can also be replaced with other tools, such as a welding device or adhesive dispenser. The image is displayed in the software during the scan and is then assembled into a 3D point cloud. You can see this here. Real-time tracking with RobotVision is of course not only used for gluing and welding, but also for other applications, such as checking components for dimensional accuracy or simply testing them. Camera and robot can be interchanged as required depending on the case. For an even more individual and faster solution with better support, there are now also RobotVision Bundles. Each bundle includes a high-performing camera for precise imaging, a versatile robot for seamless integration, and/or cutting-edge RobotVision software designed for intuitive operation and advanced processing. Thanks to the new integration of Python into the iVision and therefore also the RobotVision software, robot adaptation is easier than ever.